How to add a payment method on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to add a payment method to your Apple ID on iPhone for App Store purchases, subscription and more. So what you're going to do is first of all head over to your App Store, and once you do so, you're going to click on your profile here at the top right. So once you do so, you're going to click on your iCloud account over here, and then you will be redirected to your account settings. Over here, you're going to click on Manage Payments, and after that, you'll be redirected to another interface that would look something like this. Now here, you're going to select your card type. You can either have Visa card, MasterCard, or American Express in order to add a payment method on your App Store in iPhone. So here you're going to type down your number, or if you can't really type down your number right now, you can just simply click on this camera over here and take a clear picture of your card. And automatically Apple Intelligence will pick that number and paste that number down over here. And then you're going to type down your expiry date and then your CVV security code. And after that, you can, specify your billing address. And once done, you can just click on done. So that's just simple. You need to have a valid card. If you have another card except for Visa, MasterCard, American Express, right now, Apple does not have that option of picking that card. But if you do have Visa, MasterCard and American Express, you're good to go and you wouldn't have any problem in adding that payment method. So once done, you can just click on done and that's it. So that was basically how you can add a payment method on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.